Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to view your trash or bin folder on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To view your trash or bin, first open the app launcher in the bottom left by clicking on it and then search for the app called Files. Open the Files app and on the left it should say Bin or Trash at the bottom of the list. Click on this to view the contents of your trash or bin. To restore an item in here, find it and then right click on it and choose Restore from Bin in the menu that appears. That's how to view your trash or bin folder on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.